then you can actually what people do is if you have enough money, you can actually buy private housing, and then you can stay there and rent out the HDB.
Okay.
Yeah, provided you have go through the minimum occupation period.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wait 15 months.
Or not, if no, for the 15 months is those who are staying in the condo or private housing.
Yeah.
Wants to buy HDB, they have to wait. They have the waiting period of 15 months.
15 months.
Yes.
So let me ask this question: Why would somebody that's in a condo? Why would they want to go to HDB? Or why they didn't start with HDB? Because I was thinking it would be cheaper for them with the HDB than to go with the. Because they don't look no different between both.
We have a pay grade that you cannot go over to buy a HDB. So let's say you earn like 200,000 a year.
Yeah,
You can't get HDB, or you can have to buy a bigger jumbo flat or whatever. But I know there's a cut-off pay for your family that you earn, right? You cannot buy HDB. You have to buy a private housing.
Oh.
Yeah, so they have to be fair to those. They want to make it affordable for the common everyday guys. Yeah.
Oh, so he was a cut-off salary.
Yes, that's a cut-off salary.
Okay, so they have no choice but to be in a condo.
Yes, or if they can afford private housing or whatnot. Yeah.
Something like that. So can they, like with the private housing, can they rent rooms out and stuff like that?
Yeah, they can.
Okay.
They can. Yeah.
What happened if somebody did that? I know somebody does that with HDB. Can they rent rooms in their
HDB?
Yeah,
they can.
Do you have to tell the board that you're doing that?
You have to tell the board. You have to tell the board to notify them that you are renting. But if I'm not wrong, you need to go through the MOP, the minimum occupation period, right? Then you can start renting out.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm not sure the gist of it, but then that's what I know. Yeah, you have to ask the whoever the housing agent. Yeah, they will know.
So with a 99 lease, you guys own this. So you guys physically own this.
Yes, physically own it for as long as the lease is up.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then you make monthly payments on it.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So like US, you have the 407.
Yeah.
There, your money is partially go to the 407.
Yeah, 401k.
401k.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
407. 401k. So ours is CPF. So we have some of it is the goes to the ordinary savings account for the government save it for us. So that one will cut. The house will just cut off from there. We don't need to fork out.
So when you go to buy the house, they go into your CTA.
CPF. CPF. Central Provident Fund.
Okay.
Yeah.
So if you've been working from, I don't know, when can you start working? 16? 18?
No, I started working in this company 15 years ago. So yeah.
So by the time you're 30, wow, you can have like 20, 30,000. More than that.
I got 90,000 before I purchased this house. So when I purchased the house, the 90,000 all go to this house. So you can see zero or a couple of cents left in the CPF savings. Yeah. And then you continue working, and then they will just top up. Refund it. Yeah, it will divide into 3: savings, retirement, and Medisave. Medisave is a medical.
You save 90,000.
Up to 90,000 in the
So when you purchase this, they automatically put that 90,000.
So what do they do is your pay. Let's say a month your pay is $3,000. 20% will automatically go inside those accounts.
And then what about taxes? They take another 20%.
No, tax is not until 20. So but we have income tax and stuff. Depend on there's a cut off also.
How much tax do they take out? I know the CPF takes 20%.
20%, yeah.
And on the internet, some people are saying 30%.
I'm not sure. That's 17 and 20.
20%.
Yeah.
Everybody on the streets was
20%. Yeah. Tax, I'm not sure.
And then tax, whatever. We average it out to be another 15 to 20%. In the US, it might be.
Yeah. Not too high in Singapore, I guess.
Okay, so we're gonna say 10% more for taxes.
Yeah.
So that might be the 30% they talking about.
Yeah. We don't have any. I don't think the tax is quarterly, if I'm not wrong. I remember my tax is like quarterly, something like that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So say if you married So your wife is working too. So they'll take 90 from you, 80 from your wife, or whatever she's doing.
Okay, let's say 3,000. They would take. Okay, let's say if it's 3,000, 20% of the 3,000, they will take away. My wife, let's say 3,000, they will take 20% also. So combined, they will pay whatever money you have. They will pay to the. Oh yeah. By the way, your workplace will top up the CPF also. The same thing.
Okay.
So 17% on top of your pay.
Okay.
And then they will put in together with in the CPF account. So you have that amount every month. They will just cut off from there.
Wow.
Yeah.
They look out for their citizens.
Yeah. Right? So when you retire at 60, this year is 67 or 68, and then from your ordinary, there's three accounts: ordinary savings and Medisave. Medisave is your medical. When you go hospital, they can cut off a certain amount to help you pay your bills. So the ordinary account will go to your retirement account.
Okay.
And then the retirement account, they will see how much you have, and then you can withdraw a monthly pay until you're gone. So you're like retirement sum.
Okay,
Yeah.
and that's when you're 67 here.
67, yeah. Like my mom, 65. She got like.
Their mom.
Yeah. So no, she's her scheme is 65.
Okay.
Yeah. So hers is she withdraw about close to 400 a month.
Okay.
Until the day she's gone. Okay. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Even though the money is not there, but the government will still pay you.
Still pay you because you did your time as working here.
Yeah. When she works, she have a certain amount of money inside the CPF.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. And they give her 400. Okay.
Yeah. Roughly 400 a month.
Every month I got from my retirement.
And then they have silver
6 months
scheme.
time, silver scheme.
They have silver scheme. Silver scheme is when for the
sound like some extra money.
silver scheme
fund. Then she will receive some sort of like a bonus of $200 additional every quarterly or something like that.
And it comes every couple of months.
Every couple of months. Mak ada silver scheme?
I got silver scheme.
Oh, you're working. Those who not working.
You
Tak dapat? Mak working?
scheme. I got silver scheme.
For those who are working. For those working, don't have. Those who are not working, they will give a silver scheme fund.
Okay.
Yeah, silver scheme fund.
Wow.
So it's about $200, $215, $215. Something like that. Yeah. Previously was 180.
3 months once.
Yeah, so 3 months once, 4 months once. Yeah.
Silver scheme.
Yeah, silver scheme.
I mess with my friend today. I'm like, your grandparents have to get the silver scheme. And then you're like, you know that? Because I always be selling
It's
them.
like it's a silver scheme support.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, for
That's a silver
those.
screen report.
Yeah.
It's just showing her the name of it. Okay, so
Yeah, for those who 65 years and above, not working, so the government will give us.
the silver scheme. So they
Yeah.
like, we know the 400 is not enough, so every now and then we throw another 200.
200, yeah, it's a bonus.
100, 200.
This one is 3 months one. The monthly different.
Okay.
Yeah,
there's
it's
a
on top of
monthly.
the-
Retirement is the monthly.
Yeah,
they pay me monthly. Yeah.
Okay. Wow. So would you say this is a good place to retire? People retire?
I don't know. To some, yeah. I mean, to some, it's good. I mean, to each his own, you know.
Yeah.
I mean, I like Singapore. It's safe. It's
for the price on safety.
I mean, we are comfortable. We are comfortable. I mean, some people don't like it here, and then they migrate, and then they say shit things about Singapore. But I'm not that kind, you know. You wanna go by all means. You wanna go to other country, go. Why not? You know. Yeah.
You know, there's a if a family with a low income, and with a small children, the government will help them to pay their school fees. Then their merchandise, the book, uniform, everything.
I get it for you. So you can check it. No, I got it.
The book, uniform, everything. The government will supply for them.
Okay.
And every morning they will give them a breakfast in school.
Okay.
They come early. For those who low income, low income family, the government will support by helping them.
Wow.
Yeah, because our government anyway they want because Singapore education is the first one.
Yeah, I know.
It's very important.
Very important. I see.
Yeah, no matter how poor you are, you still need this education.
Yeah.
So what's that our government help?
They will make sure that kids.
Yeah, and for our all like my age, all we got a lot of subsidized.
Okay.
When you go to clinic, hospital, there is a subsidized.
Okay.
And yeah, we can afford it.
Okay, that makes sense.
Yeah, it's very. I say I'm happy here.
Yeah.
I'm happy here.
That's good.
What
Yeah.
other people say, they not been here, they don't know.
They don't know.
Yeah, and what I'm so happy here. Yeah, happy with all my children. I can live in under. I safe here inside my.
You
Yes.
have nothing to worry about.
Yes.
Singapore is a wonderful place.
Yes. Yeah. Very happy.
In-laws are going back home.
Going back home.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
Yes, bye-bye. Take care.
Okay, bye.
Take care. Thank you.
They stay
Yeah.
at Tampines.
Okay.
Tampines, yeah.
Tampines. Oh, I went by there today, driving by there, Tampines.
Okay.
Yeah, I know, because I was coming from like the airport area. I came from the.
Yes, Changi.
Yeah. That's why I took
Changi,
the.
Pasir Ris, Tampines.
Yeah, I took the 27 bus.
27.
Yeah.
27 stops here in Singapore.
Yeah, you got to show me when I leave. That's why I got to go out of it. Because the girl was telling me it's quicker for me to take the 27 because it takes me straight back to the airport.
Yes.
I got to meet my friend there that works there.
Okay.
Yeah, I got some friends that work at the airport now. I know people.
They are. My mom works in the airport, Singapore Airlines.
Okay.
40, how many
Oh, 40 years. All right.
40.
Wow.
45 years.
45 years.
45 years
Yes.
airline. Oh, yeah. You about to get a big seat.
Got a free ticket. Got a free ticket.
Oh, she get free tickets.
Yeah. Now the daughter has to be this at Singapore Airlines also.
Okay, yeah, that's a big job. I see the become a stewardess there.
Yeah.
They make $6,000 a month. The stewardess. I asked them. Because I see so many people with that on uniform. I'm like, how much y'all make? Because there must be a good job.
They have, if I'm not wrong, they have a lot of incentive to fly there, according to what my
Yeah.
says. Yeah. You wanna sit here?
I'll sit down. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Oh man. Oh,
How do you feel about?
it's comfortable. It's comfortable. It's nice. It's nice. It's comfortable. It's nice. It's nice. So I know this is another question I gotta ask you guys. This is a big thing here. It seems like they I gotta say this, man.
What, you get married to buy a house or?
Yeah.
I mean,
it seems like it all goes hand in hand.
I find that it's easier to buy a house if you're married.
That's right. That's what I was trying to say, guys.
Yeah, because if you're single, the only way you can buy a house is if you buy a private house at any age, or you go for a single scheme, which is you need to be at 35 years old.
Okay.
And then working, and then same cut off salary also. You can just buy a HDB single scheme. But then if you do want to buy a house at any age, 21, 20, you can just buy a private house, which is expensive.
Okay.
Not everyone earns a lot at 21, 22, you know.
Okay.
Yeah.
The reason why I was asking, because there's a friend that I met. She told me, she's 33. She said her husband died. She's like, was so distraught by that. I guess she was in an HDB. And she was like having problems till her husband died. So she moved back with her parents.
Okay. FYI.
Yeah.
If any of your spouse die,
Yeah.
the HDB will waive the rest of the fees of your house, of your mortgage,
For how long?
forever. If any of your spouse died,
They'll waive it. So you can
they waive it. You can stay until 99 years. Yeah, there's an insurance on this.
So why did she move back with her parents then?
Maybe she probably sold the house.
I think she
She sold the house and feel a bit lonely, I guess. There's instance where I know people who does that also. I have a couple of friends. Yeah. I have a couple of friends, my colleague who passed away, and then the wife sold the house, went back to the parents, stay together with them.
Okay. And now she wants to get another HBD. I think she's been with her parents for a little bit of time now.
HDB, she needs to be 35.
She's 33.
Yeah. So I'm not sure if she don't sell the house, she's probably still have a house now.
No, I think she got rid of the house.
Okay.
She wanted to get another.
So I don't know what's her situation. So
I don't know either, but she was telling me that she's 33 and you had to be 35.
35 to buy a single scheme.
So she must have, her husband, she must have sold that one.
Yeah, unless
She said she moved back with her parents.
Yeah, unless you can afford to buy private housing, then there's another way. But I mean, like I said, no, not everybody can afford.
Okay.
The houses here are so expensive.
And then she said since she's a single woman, it's harder for her to get another HDB. She's trying to get HDB, another one now.
She don't have kids, right?
No kids.
There's a way. If you have kids, some HDB allow you to go for a rental flat.
Yeah.
Until let's say if you apply for BTO for 3 to 4 years, then the BTO is ready, then you can move in with your kids.
Alright.
Yeah.
Because I don't think she was married for too long.
Okay.
And then he died, so then he was in the process of having kids and whatever else you do to make the marriage good.
Okay. So it can be a lot of situation that we